reviewer. Everlasting Gobstopper. Jawbreakers that change colors and flavors. So it's one. It's not several. It's probably one Gobstopper that changes colors and flavors at the same time. So that would be a pretty good treat. Just remember not to bite it. It's a jawbreaker. It'll break your jaw. So it's everlasting. I hope it doesn't last forever. I don't want it to last forever. Then I can't eat it. So here are the nutrition facts. And here are the ingredients. So there's 6 pieces. What? 6 pieces? But it seems like there's more. Maybe I should go back to kindergarten. I cannot read properly. 6 pieces is 40 calories. So let me first open it because I need to open it in order to taste it. We need to find more things. This is the opener. If you ever read Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, a book by Roald Dahl, I recommend that to you guys. It mentions a chocolate called the Everlasting Gobstopper. So that's a little treasure hunt for you guys. Find the Everlasting Gobstopper in the book. So let me first taste the red one. They're probably different flavors. So anyways, I'm gonna taste. First, pour it all because that should be better than. They're hard. That's why they're called jawbreakers. Sorry for it. Almost done, guys. A few more left. There we go. Sorry for the little noise. A lot of noise, I meant. There you go. So that's all the jawbreakers. Pretty colorful, huh? So I'm gonna be eating the red one. So I'm gonna kind of take it out of my mouth to show you what color it is. I'm not sure what color it'll turn into. So I'm gonna mention. So I know it might be kind of rude to do this in front of people, but I need to show it to you guys so you guys know what I meant. So I have a napkin next to me, so I'll take it out of my mouth, show you what flavor, well, tell you what flavor and show you the color. That's probably the same color as the flavor. So not gonna bite it. I think I'm tasting a cherry. That went out of my mouth for no reason. That one I didn't take out. If you heard that little thing, I did not take that out. It just came out of my mouth by itself. So I'll try to guess when about the color might change. So sticky and so rude. Whoa! It's so round. So that's why. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna taste a red one this time. And I have a little cup next to me so I can, take it out and show you. It's kind of rude to do it in front of people, but I need to show you and proof it, or else you might think, well, that will never change color. How can it? So I'm eating it right now. So it started off as a cherry. I might spit out and you might hear a clink. I'm not showing you to that. I'm just checking because I can't put a mirror in front of my face. I don't have a mirror anyway right now, so I have to spit out and see, okay, it did not change color, so I'm gonna put it back in my mouth and then chew it. Well, suck it. So it was red. I'm gonna give you an example. It changed from red to orange, and it's really an orange flavor. I'm gonna try all the flavors and see what colors it would change into. If my phone allows it, because I just tasted red. There's orange, yellow, green, and purple that are left to taste. So I wonder if the red one will go on and on, because it's an everlasting Gobstopper, it will go on forever. But obviously, eventually you have to spit it out. Not yet. I feel like I'm tasting a lemon right now. We'll spit it out. Not now. But strangely, there are some white spots, like a soccer ball. The orange one's taking a long time to change color. So, I chewed it for literally about 2 minutes or so. And it changed from red to orange to a whitish, pinkish, yellowish something. So that's it for the red right now. I'm not gonna chew another bit. So now I'm gonna taste. Wonder what I pick. I close my eyes. So I'm gonna just pick what I get. An orange one. So it's starting off as an orange flavor. Not now. I spit it out, but it's like, not right now. It's still orange. So it changed from orange to a yellowish, grayish, something-ish colorish. Let's go on. So it changed from orange to yellowish, grayish, something-ish to a pinkish, like the red one. So that's it for the yellow. Orange. So can you eat me a napkin, Daddy? So it's almost dinner time. So if I eat more, I think I might not be able to eat dinner. So I'm gonna cut here for the day. So you guys taste the green, the purple for me, and let me know in the comment, and also yellow, forgot that. Let me know in the comments below what flavor it started with, what color it changed into, and what flavor that was. So that's it for the day. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!